Hello, my name is Katie Sullivan, and this is my pitch for the company I work for, Eat. Eat is a meal kit provider and also a fast food restaurant for people looking to eat healthier. We offer meals with all the ingredients sent to your home with easy-to-follow recipes, and we also have fast food locations where you can eat our meals on the go. Eat wants people to know eating healthy is easier than what many people think. Like our slogan says, where health and great taste meet. For our big idea, we know not every family is fortunate enough to buy our meals, but we'd like to help. Eat is partnering with Chrissy Teigen to promote the Eat Meal giveaway. Our plan is that for every 100 meals we sell, we'll be donating a meal to a family who needs it. We chose Chrissy because she has a big platform with over 33 million followers on her Instagram, and she is a big foodie with 2 published cookbooks. Our main target audience are individuals 25 to 35 years of age, both men and women who want a healthier eating lifestyle. Individuals should have an income around $50,000 or higher to afford our meals regularly. The demographics are individuals who work out and are looking for healthy meals, but also individuals who have health conditions and want to eat better. We are mainly focused on customers around the Metro Detroit area, but this will grow as we grow as a company. Our primary objective is to create 30% more brand awareness, and our secondary objective is to gain 25% more customer feedback and see a 50% increase in online sales. To accomplish our first objective, we can track how many new customers sign up for our loyalty program. The secondary objective KPIs we can track are by keeping track of how many surveys we get with the feedback and the amount of online sales we receive. We would like to accomplish these objectives by the end of the quarter, around December of 2020. For our social media strategy, Eat has decided to use the platforms Instagram, YouTube, and Pinterest. With Instagram, we would like to stay active daily, promoting our meals and reposting customers who posted our meals. Our objective with Instagram is to see a 15% increase in engagement rate with our followers. We can track this while watching our follower likes and share numbers grow. For our account on YouTube, we will be posting chefs making our meals, making it easier for people to follow if they like visual aids rather than reading a recipe. Our objective for YouTube is to increase followers by 50%, and we can track this by keeping an eye on our subscribers. Pinterest would be our last social media account, and we can share pictures of our meals with a link to our website and buy the meals. Our objective is to accumulate 25% of our website sales from Pinterest. We can track this by seeing who is coming to our website from Pinterest. We'll be buying ads off of the social media platforms we have accounts on. We'll be targeting our customers who are in the ages of 25 to 35, the Metro Detroit area, individuals who follow workout accounts, and individuals who follow food accounts. We can also show ads to customers who have visited our website. Eat would like to use AdWords as a way of advertising on Google and Yahoo. This would cause our company to be the first to pop up when they search for phrases like clean eating meals, clean eating foods, healthy choice meals, healthy foods on the go, and yummy low-calorie meals. We have picked these words because they associate with our brand and have a low cost and low competition rate. Our first content inbound offer will be a PDF that customers can see that shows factual information on eating healthy. Customers can learn exactly what effects eating healthy can have on your body and what foods can be harmful to you, etc. Our second content offer can funnel customers farther into our business because we will provide an interview with a returning customer, and she can tell everyone her food journey she has had with us and how it has changed her life for the better. If customers sign up for our loyalty program, they will receive emails. These emails are based off our content offer of teaching our customers how to eat healthy. Some email idea examples we have are, don't know what's causing your adult acne? Try cutting out milk. Are you getting enough omega-3s in your diet? And lastly, healthy choices for your Thanksgiving dinner. Our budget will be around $7,666.70 a month. This includes all of our paid ads like Instagram, Pinterest, YouTube, Google, and Yahoo. We will be paying Instagram and Pinterest for 5,000 impressions a day, YouTube for 300 views per day, Google for 200 pay-per-clicks per day, and Yahoo $1.62 per day. To conclude this presentation, we have a very strong company we believe will thrive in the food industry. We just need the help financially to get this business started. Thank you for listening.